Andhra Pradesh capital Amravati is going to have a new Kohinoor in its crown. Andhra Pradesh capital Amravati is going to have a new Kohinoor in its crown. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has planned to build a replica of the Tirumala Sri Venkateshwara Swami temple at Venkatapalam in the Amravati capital region. Work for this actually began in 2019 itself, and about 25 acres of land was allotted near the river Krishna. For all devotees, Sri Venkateshwara Swami, the Tirumala Sri Venkateshwara Swami, holds a very special place in their life as well as their activities. And bringing Tirumala to Amravati is something that they would all look forward to. Now the foundation stone for the expansion of this project has been laid, and about 260 crore rupees is going to be spent to build this temple over the next 2.5 years. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has given a timeline and has asked the TTD to in fact ensure that the timelines are met. In phase 1, there will be about 140 crore rupees that will be spent, and the main structures will come up. The Prakaram, which is the compound wall, the Mahagopuram, which is a 7-story structure. There will also be the building of various devotional mandapams such as for the Arjita Seva, Adala Vahana and Ratha Mandapams, and a new Anjaneya Swami temple, Pushkarni, which is the temple tank, as well as cut stone flooring will also be completed in the first phase itself. The second phase again is for about 120 crore rupees, and as part of this, the Mada, which is the streets around the temple, as well as a lot of pilgrim amenities are to be developed, and that will include a massive Annadana complex, which is for free meal distribution, and there will be approach roads as well, and pilgrim rest houses, quarters for priests and staff, administrative buildings, a meditation hall, and also dedicated parking facilities. So the foundation laying ceremony was attended by not just the TTD chairperson Mr. B.R. Naidu, but also Union Minister Pemasani Chandrasekhar, as well as MLAs, ministers, many of the local farmers as well. And in fact, Chief Minister made a specific reference and thanked in fact the farmers for having given up about 29,000 farmers, giving up 33,000 acres of land for the building of what was meant to be a very, very grand capital. And he said that during the previous YSR government, the farmers had been humiliated, and that they had been harassed by the previous administration, and he says that because they had come forward for a very sacred cause, that's the reason why the Lord had listened to them, and now all their problems had been answered by the Lord himself. What the Chandrababu Naidu has also specified in this context is that the name Amravati, which is of course the capital of the gods, is the name that was given thanks to the grace and blessings of Lord Venkateshwara Swami himself. And he also talks about how this capital is going to change life for people. And he also referred to what he says as the good intentions always getting the divine blessings of the Lord. And he made a reference to an attack that was planned on him in October 1, 2003, when there was an attempt to blow up the convoy in which Chandrababu Naidu, then also Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, was travelling. And he says that it is because of Lord Venkateshwara that his life had got saved. And he said that good intentions attract divine blessings, and one that Lord does not tolerate any wrongdoing. He also said that it's Lord Venkateshwara is his family deity, and that he had grown up watching the Tirumala temple from his home, and that he would never do anything that disrespects the Lord and would not allow anyone else to do so. This you can see as a political jibe at his political opponent as well, and that the Lord will not tolerate any wrongdoing, and that will punish in this lifetime itself. So he also announced in fact the plans that the TTD has to expand the temples across the country, and made a specific reference to the temple being built in Mumbai, where the Raymond Group in fact has come forward to donate 100 crore rupees, and says that devotees everywhere should contribute in order to be able to build the Tirumala temples not just across India but also across the world. So for the people living in the coastal regions of Andhra Pradesh, this will come as a huge blessing, because we do understand that the Tirumala Tirupati temple gets huge numbers of visitors and crowd management becomes a big challenge. So for those who are not able to travel up to the Tirumala temple, Tirumala is coming to you. That's what the Chief Minister is saying.